Going to this building, it's about bookstore. Right, if you're in this bookstore, don't lost, okay? Exactly like a mess. I think I lost. Yeah, so it's like a parcel room. Maybe yes. Thank God I found a way out. So be careful, okay? So you might lost in parcel. See, that's a parcel. Yeah, don't lose, okay? Then upstairs, then outside table. Okay, so now in Jalan Petaling street. Okay, I just finished the street and now I just get some like snacks and the boba tea. But I just asked them, like, what's the building of behind me? They say they don't know. Like, oh really? If you know the building of the name, just let me know. Confuse me. No one knows. Okay, now I'm at the Kwai street, or is the lane. That's a lot of painting street. It's an art street, and it pretty much is similar like Melbourne. It's they have own street that the painting for the artist. I think now it's close to Chinese New Year, so they have decoration of the street. I just noticed this one and it shocked me off. I think I come at the right time because you see that all the lamp is the decoration and the back. It's like Chinese New Year. You know what? I just found a temple similar to the Fiji trip. So I think that is similar to the Fiji one. Going to Sri Lanka, maybe. So same thing as Fiji. So you want to go in the temple, you have to take off your shoes and cover your leg because I wear shorts. Alright, so there's a place that you can pay for it, but just can go inside. I think 20 cents. So I just joined the Sri Lanka one. Now I think this one belong to Chinese one. Different culture. So now I'm at the center market. This可以，这可以，这间店可以。Oh my god, what's that? Snake skin. You know, I really want to try rambutan and mainstream, but I don't know. I just want to like one or two. I can get it. So we want to order taxi. That's the taxi. Okay, now I'm going to the river of a city, which is in front of me. You see the building there? Okay, I'm saying wrong. So it's not a river of a city, it's a river of a life. So behind me, that's the bridge. So that's the location we have to go. Oh my god, look at the building. That's amazing planting. There's an elephant. It's a I think it's Simpson of the water, create a life for the human, for the water. Oh my god, river life, what a beautiful. So this is the bridge that I said earlier. Beautiful, right? You know, I just found this one. If you don't want to walk by yourself, you can join this tour. I think they will take you to whatever you were, you know. But to me, I prefer walk by myself because I'm a traveler. I don't want to be a tourist. Yeah. Okay, today's last point is this sign. I love KL. You know, I find what? I find like this one. So cute. So that's my dinner. You have to try. Just pick what you like and put your own rice and you know, and that's a free. Yeah. So if you want to go to Genting, you have to visit this place. There's so many delicious. No, not delicious. It's like just okay, you know. Someone say. Oh, Genting Outlet, Premier Outlet. Okay, it's outlet. So now we have to visit another temple. So that's a tower. So that's the place I would go Genting. Now I'm still at the temple. So that's about the journey of the hell. So in Asian stories say that if you say something bad thing, they'll take your thumbs off. So now let's go visit. So this is the first location. They will judge you, see how's your life in the humans. So there's the black and white, similar like the police black and white. So they just say, if you do something well, you will get good things. If you're doing something bad, of course, you're gonna be punished. Okay, that's the cable I will take tomorrow. I will take a cable car back to the city. And that's a name called Genting. In Mandarin we call Yunding. I know the reason why it's Yunding. Do you see that? The white thing is cloud. Oh my god. That's the reason I say, oh, that's Yunding. So this is a hotel of the fourth world. So they have 7,351 rooms. So you can self-check-in, just scan your passport. So now I'm at the first world hotel, meaning that this is the biggest hotel in this world. Okay, so that's our information. So Tower 15. That's 14 to 24, so that's that one. Yeah, so that's three of them building together. So that's this biggest one in this world. And we are living in the 15th floor. So yeah, this way. How long will it take? Oh my god, so that's a huge one, you know, like
that's why this is called
the biggest. Oh yeah, this one. 这个风扇，这个是可以的吗？ Is that normal? So that's the shower room.
the separate one. This one is quite small. You only want to take a shower.
Oh.
You feel a bit tight.
Can I go out? Oh, that's another building. So now we have another plan to do is we have to have sightseeing up around this area, and now we're at the mountain part. Is that mountain? About Genting Mountain, and you can see that's a cable car. They will take the customer to the hotel, and that's another building. This is the opposite of the hotel. I normally will live here, but I changed my plan to live in another one. This is Highland. And okay guys, do you see this one? 16 degrees. And I'm at the first world hotel. So foggy. It's not even cold, but I know, foggy. So I think that's the reason why I call Genting Yunding. Means it's cloud building.